Welcome to Millennial Moment. My name is Brittany, and I'm here to share all the things that I've learned while working as a millennial in the insurance industry. As we get further into the new year and closer to warmer weather, hopefully, you probably began to think about home renovations. Whether it's because your roommate broke the pipe to your bathroom sink, true story by the way, or your roof needs repairing, Northeast Insurance Services wants to make sure that you and your homeowner's insurance policy are prepared. How can my current homeowner's insurance help? A standard homeowner's insurance policy includes dwelling coverage, other structures coverage, personal property coverage, loss of use coverage, personal liability coverage, and medical payments coverage. What does all that mean? For starters, personal liability coverage protects you if someone is hurt on your property and you're found responsible. Personal property coverage helps if your personal belongings like furniture, clothing, or appliances are stolen or damaged. What is considered a major renovation? Generally speaking, the criteria is the home will be unoccupied while construction is occurring, or the total cost of the renovation is budgeted to be 10% or more of the home's replacement value. What options do I have for insurance during renovations? There are two common options. One, adding coverage to your homeowner's insurance, and two, builder's risk insurance, which protects materials and/or equipment used in the renovation should those items sustain physical loss or damage from a covered cause. Are there any specific renovations that would affect my insurance premium? Absolutely. Before construction begins, check how the home renovation will influence your insurance rates so you can be fully prepared for any changes in coverage or cost. While some renovations will increase your premium, there are others that will actually lower it. Don't miss out simply because you didn't think of your home insurance during renovation. Having a heart-to-heart with your home insurance agent or carrier may not be part of your preparations, but they should be. Some example of renovations that will affect your premium are increased living space, aka adding rooms to your home. This increases your square footage and your current policy may not be enough to cover it. Upgrading or enlarging a kitchen or bathroom. Pools. Most likely it will increase the value of your home and add liability risk. Flooring. If you end up using a unique material for your floors, it could be more expensive to replace. Keep in mind that the replacement cost of your home isn't the same as the market value or selling price. What are risks I should consider before renovating? Increased foot traffic, valuables being stolen, damages done by a worker's tools, vandalism and unauthorized use of an unoccupied home, and contractors' mistakes such as damage of the home. Finally, here are some last questions to ask yourself before getting work done. 1. Is your contractor or subcontractor insured? If they say so, ask for proof of insurance. 2. Do you need a building permit? These vary per location, so check with your local building official. 3. Do you have a homeowners association? Some communities that actually need approval before construction can start. Here at Northeast Insurance Services, we're more than insurance. We protect what means the most to you, and we've built our business on connecting with our clients. In the comments below, tell us your home renovation stories. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're interested in more insurance information, check out this video. In the description below, there will also be links to some additional resources on home renovations when it comes to insurance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Millennial Moment.